I'll show you how to remove the side door sill scuff plate, also known as the lower inner door cowl trim. This is for a Chrysler 300, Dodge Charger, or Dodge Magnum. The only tools needed are a flat tip screwdriver or a pry bar or a trim stick. Grab a corner of the side trim and use a flat tool along the side. Stick it in and wedge it out. There are these two push clips, one on the top, one on the bottom. I'll leave a step-by-step guide in the description below for easy reference. Now to actually do the sill scuff plate, it is a one piece, which was a good idea from a manufacturing and labor point of view. Like the other one, there are 3 spring clip retainers. Teeter-totter it or move the flat tip screwdriver back and forth to remove. Here is a close-up. Now pull it straight out. You can see that there is one more spring clip and a pointed piece holding this into the car. Some people like to replace these with a nicer look or upgrade with new fancy ones that light up or glow. By the way, this screw allows you to access the lower B-pillar for removal. If this has helped so far, please like and subscribe. Now to reinstall, just line up the pointed tip with the hole and push it straight in. Now, very important, look at the sill scuff plate and make sure those 3 clips are lined up. Once they are, knock them in with your fist. Go ahead and test it. Make sure it feels tight and secured. And by the way, you can also use the back of the screwdriver instead if you prefer. Line up the upper trim piece and tap it in. This top piece further secures the lower piece. So this remove and install scuff plate is very easy to do and should take 5 minutes. This process can be similar to other cars as well. However, they may have a slightly different configuration and may have screws or even some wire connectors as well. If you can, let others know in the comments below what kind of car model you have and mention any difference or tips you have when working on this. Please like if this video helped and subscribe. That way you'll continue to learn how to do all kinds of repairs for free and learn some helpful tips along the way. Until next time, check out some other helpful videos on this channel, and thanks for watching.